Hey family, welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be a little different. It's going to be at the start, all right, of skincare Sundays. So we're going to take care of our face because that's, you know, kind of like the first thing that people see. So before they get to, you know, our insides, you know, they see our face. So let's bless them with our beauty, okay? Okay, today we're going to be trying e.l.f.'s magnetic mask. And I've been wanting to try this, well, not this one in particular, but a magnetic mask for a while, but they're so expensive. They're like over $100. So I said, where can I find a cheap one? So I went on the good old YouTube and I saw the girls always know the low. So I'm going to be trying this one for us. And I got it from Walmart. You know, they put their little sticker up there so big, like, okay, we know it's Walmart, all right. And you also can get it from Ulta Beauty, and I saw it at Target as well, but so it comes with this tool, and it's basically to help you apply it on this side, and then also on this side it's going to help you remove the mask. So what I liked about the magnetic mask was the fact that the cleanup is so easy. So I was like, I'm gonna try it. Like, it's a nice little you know, clean packaging. I love that. And so it just has the top, you just pull that off, and it's really thick. So I just apply it. Smells good. It's not like anything super strong or anything you know, that I feel like it's like stinks. Smells pretty good to me. I think we're done. Okay. Okay, you guys, we're back. Just be aware that when wearing this mask, you're gonna feel some tingling, but I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I fell asleep. This is a whole 4 days later, but okay. But I can give you a true, honest review. I've given this product some time, and you know, so I know how I feel about it, you know what I'm saying? Because I did it more than once, okay? I did it for Instagram, I did it for Snapchat, and I'm doing it for YouTube. How you doing? So I'm gonna take this product off, and we're gonna discuss how I feel about this product at the same time.
First off, they give you these plastic sleeves to go over the device to make an easy cleanup. Overall, I'm going to tell you guys, I did not like this product. I have combination skin and it dries out my entire face. It left my face super bumpy, and you'll see it later. Not super bumpy, but girl, it was more bumps than I was used to, so it was super. Okay, so yeah, but the good thing about it is it's an easy cleanup. Like, it's really fast, less than a minute, so you don't have to go through the process of taking the water and rinsing off your face. But if I have to do that in order to have clear skin, I will do that. Trust and believe.
So this is what my skin feels like after taking the mask off. It's very matte. It feels very dry. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna just apply some shea butter because it's kind of bothering me that my face is kind of matte and dry. As you can see, is breaking out because of the last mask that I did, which was that freaking e.l.f. magnetic mask. You see this? My skin never does this, and it's really, really dry. So yeah. Okay, so you guys heard my thoughts about this product. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really want to say thank you so much for getting us to 5K. I appreciate it. And the next chopping block would be 10K. I'm just so grateful for you guys. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and think about that, because we do gym vlogs over here. We do regular vlogs. As you can see, we can do skincare, okay? And I'm in the military, so if you have questions about that, we also do pranks. So I greatly appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.